My name's Patrick and I chose to do the gold card course. It was great. We had Paul, who's a really good teacher. He covered everything we needed to know, practical and theory. It was really good. We'd spend 2 days a week doing practical. We learned all different techniques and went through a work booklet so we knew how to do everything. Yeah, really good. I like the way you can do level 2 and level 3 in one combined thing. Really good teaching, good location for me as well. I had quite a small group and we all got along really well, helped each other with the work, so yeah, definitely. I would say definitely come to learn trade skills because there's not many other centres which provide this complete experience, and it's good, really good teaching, so yeah, good option.